ways to stay updated with, tax law changes and compliance responsibilities is to get under someone, learn from someone that has mastered the tax law, that is actively in it, that's been in it over a course of a period of time, so they can really be able to just kind of funnel you the information and you don't have to figure it out on your own. The next thing you could always do, of course, is go to the IRS.gov website and begin to spend time learning and reading those pubs. Then you can second that information by going to YouTube and then chewing it down and seeing if someone else is basically reteaching that information. But there's nowhere better to learn from a teacher. I'm going to say you getting under a mentor or a coach or a tax professional that's been in the industry, has a book of business that you can glean from, that really values their name and they don't just value the dollars, because they're going to stand behind the information that you get. But beyond that, you want to be able to fact check everything that somebody's providing you, because you as a tax professional, it's your responsibility to know the information and be able to provide these prepare these returns accurately.